We were covering the facility and support staff. And now we come towards the facility training and mentoring. ये एस्पेक्ट पर्टेन करता है ट्रेनिंग हो मेंटरिंग हो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स की ताकि वो इफेक्टिव हो अपने रोल में एज इंस्ट्रक्टर एडवाइजर एकेडमिक प्लानर एंड करिकुलम डेवलपर. Senior faculty is expected to undertake the responsibility कि वो गाइड करे, हेल्प करे in providing mentoring support on regular basis. Not only there should be a systematic plan who will execute skills of newly inducted young faculty members के लिए institute program जो है डिवाइस strategy बनाए workshop seminar for existing program faculty. Faculty must be trained with OBE systems and train करें community with the program objective, outcome, understanding of the outcome-based assessment cycle, enthusiasm for developing effective program, and the ability to become an active player, key to ensure the attainment of program objectives. Okay, they are expected to have the ability, expect or to ensure proper implementation of program की और प्रोसेसेस हो जिसकी प्रोवेलेशन हो असेसमेंट हो यानी कॉन्टिन्यूस पार्टी फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम to become effective instructors in applying pedagogical skills in all aspects of teaching, learning, assessment. सारी डोमेन्स कवर हो. ठीक है. Following are some of the key points that should be covered during the various phases of training. क्या है जी? Program educational objective program PLO in PEO's outcome-based assessment cycle is implementation, general aspect of lectures delivery, modes and means of effective student-teacher interaction हो. Quiz assignment exam project viva is effective assessment tools, evaluation हो, assessment results की, to gauge level of attainment, CLO, PLOs. कि हमारी PLO, CLO जो percentage कितनी है preparing and maintaining course fund. Okay, next is faculty development and career planning, self-employment and retention of qualified faculty is an indication of the commitment by higher education institution and its seriousness towards accomplishment and real mission to our objective, strength, qualification, level of commitment, attitude. ये बहुत important रोल ये सारी ट्रेनिंग इनकी क्वालिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम ऑब्जेक्टिव और आउटकम्स पे मेजर रोल प्ले करते हैं. To calculate a sense of professional satisfaction and commitment to the program of adequate employment security, coupled with salaries, benefits, commensurate with the position, periodic performance evaluation, और उसका for vertical mobility should be ensured and made known. Institute implement करें, effective planning करें, academic professional development की में उनकी continuity और retention in addition some sort of performance appraisal mechanism should also be placed to monitor continuous effectiveness of the faculty use. अच्छा. Institute was in the Provian House Scholarship leading to PhD training, sabbatical leave for postdoc research to promote professional work for young faculty enrolled in postgraduate program should be reduced to facilitate their pursuits in their research. ताकि वो अपनी रिसर्च में काम करें. इसलिए यंग फैकल्टी जो एमएस के या पीएचडी के प्रोग्राम में इनरोल्ड है उसको उनका वर्कलोड कम हो. Pyramid of academic structure. This aspect pertains to the number of faculty members on various professional marks. Professor, associate, assistant lecturer within the program. The institution are encouraged to determine the number of faculty members of various styles without a bar on the ratio of different ranks to encourage promotion to deserving. The faculty pyramid provided by higher education information should be treated as a guideline specifying the merit the bare minimum number of higher rank positions. Strictness to this bare minimum should be ensured as a least requirement. While observing the mentioned pyramid, the program head of a year program should possess PhD degree, coupled with relevant experience to lead an engineering program. जो हेड है डिपार्टमेंट का उसकी लाजमी पीएचडी की डिग्री होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट हमें द फैकल्टी वर्कलोड. This aspect pertains to the extent and nature of workload assigned to faculty members. Workload ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वो उनकी परफॉर्मेंस टीचिंग ज़्यादा ना हो. The workload should be as per the HCPC guideline. जिसकी एवरेज है कि वो 12 क्रेडिट आवर्स पर वीक एक्सीड ना करें. Research with the institute should foster research activities by supporting participation in national international conference workshops. Actively in research and are expected to publish research paper each year in reputed national international. They must contribute. The institution should make provision on the budget for education to participate in any workshop, conference, colloquia, etc. Policies for sabbatical leaves, short summer leaves for the faculty to take a postdoctoral research assignment at the national international institute जो encourage faculty to establish industry के साथ consultancy हो, design service and to provide solution to their development systems, interaction with industry and sponsoring national international agency to attract research and development funding is one of the important, including the dynamics of the program. The effort of faculty members are who secure should be acknowledged in the form of reduced or financial incentives. Program में ये होना चाहिए sufficient pool of faculty members with post-graduate qualification ताकि वो सारी की सारी disciplines areas specification cover करें. Faculty pool है जो reasonable mix of experience, junior faculty so as to provide adequate level of teacher funding. There is a formal mechanism for regular guidance and training of faculty members on pedagogical skills and OBE concepts and practices and friendly policies. The program promotes and facilitates its faculty members to engage themselves in meaningful research and to interact with industry and sponsoring agencies. Faculty is actively involved in research and development and publication in reputed journals, conference, and also plays effective role for formulating and implementing. ताकि उसका प्रोग्राम के ऑब्जेक्टिव आउटकम के ऊपर असरअंदाज जो है वो नजर आए. नेक्स्ट हम आते हैं कि फैसिलिटीज एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Candidates, institution, showing ability of needed infrastructure, land, building, equipment, library, laboratories, workshop, computing facilities, seminar, and auditorium, playground, hostel, recreational and health care facilities, cafeteria, transport, consulting, career services. Intention is to make the institution fully aware of present and future needs and evidence of strong financial commitment and availability of the needed finances for the program has to be shown. Similarly, the classroom, office, lab equipment, laboratories, conductive atmosphere हो जिसमें modern tool equipment, computer resources, laboratories appropriate to the program must be available. ताकि हम PLOs को सही से अच्छे से कंडक्टिव एटमॉस्फेयर में अचीव कर सकें. इसको सिस्टमेटिकली मेंटेन किया जाए. हाई एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन मस्ट इंश्योर दैट ऑल फैसिलिटीज जो है वो मेंटेन हुई हैं और स्टिक टू बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस रिलेटेड टू एनवायरनमेंट हेल्थ एंड safety. There should be an effective institute policy on environment, health and safety. It should be ensured that all students, staff, contractors and daily workers are made aware of their individual responsibilities. Safety signage are visible, safety markings are clear and according to standards fire extinguisher meets the intended function. Safety times. ठीक है, ये डिपार्टमेंट में फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर लगे हुए हों, फ्लाइंग वर्क्स हो सके, hazardous disposal, case, ventilation, whatever are available, maintained and exits are accessible during learning sessions. The periodic safety audit of the environment health and safety policies shall be conducted on annual basis for appropriate institutions shall promote green campus initiatives in line with the environmental friendly. Foreign documentary evidence should be furnished with clear description and self-assessment report SCR by candidate institution for accreditation and re-accreditation के लिए अब हमने क्या देखना है? Adequacy or teaching की learning facility, classroom, learning support facilities, study areas, information resources, computing and information technology, labs, workshops, associated equipment, provision and adequacy of support facilities, hostel है, sports है, recreational health centers and career transport in facilitating student life on campus. Policies related to environment, health and safety and evidence for their effective and efficient implementation of the institution. अच्छा वो कह रही जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें ए बी में रिक्वायर्ड है जिसमें क्या था जिसमें हमारे पास था टीचिंग के हवाले से एक है और दूसरा है सपोर्ट फैसिलिटी हॉस्टल है और ट्रांसपोर्ट और दूसरी फैसिलिटीज हैं टू बी प्रोवाइडेड इन द supporting document but not limited to master plan of physical facilities a summary and tabulated form of lecture hall इससे आपने सारी चीजें लिखी हैं टेस्टिंग ऑडियो वीडियो फैसिलिटीज मिलेगी प्रोजेक्टर program specific labs summer of recreational support facilities summer of information on recent continuous improvement and plan summary of improvement and continuous improvement. अच्छा ये हो गया हमारे पास facilities का for the students as well as the faculty members. Okay. Next is institutional support and financial resources. इसमें क्या है? Institute की कितनी financial criteria deal with financial resources and the commitment to ensure financial. The main objective is to gain and assess the adequacy of these resources and sustain with a review to upgrade it for future enhancement, hiring and retaining qualified faculty members in sufficient numbers to the request for a vibrant program. Obviously, this needs continued financial commitment in addition to creating the availability of infrastructure in terms of classroom libraries are also heavy requirements. In addition to teaching and learning, the program must be demonstrated avenues of research and development pursuits to enable students and faculty to transform their innovative and original thinking into practice. ये सारी जो एक्टिविटीज है डिमांड करेंगे अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सफिशिएंट फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज एंड सफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट. Needless to say, a sound and winning program must be economically viable to ensure its sustainability and future enhancement. Therefore, it is essential that an institution requesting accreditation must provide the requisite information and data to facilitate discussed health, the clarity and accuracy of information. The required information comprise income and expenditure details which can be extracted from the approved budget. कितना हुआ है और for the current academic to previous consecutive financial years. कि आपके प्रोग्राम के लिए कितना यूनिवर्सिटी ने बजट अप्रूव किया. नया प्रोग्राम अगर करना है तो लास्ट ईयर अप्रूव बजट उसके लिए सफिशिएंट प्रोग्राम इंस्टीट्यूशन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रोवाइड कॉपीज ऑफ द अप्रूव्ड बजट एंड लास्ट ईयर ऑडिटेड अकाउंट. दिस इज मस्ट. Specifically, the program must demonstrate the following: adequacy of financial resources to ensure program sustainability in terms of recurring expenses and development requirements, evidence of continued financial commitment, for example, in terms of increasing endowment fund. इतने फंड हैं कि वो अपने it is all covered in the first presentation as a head of institute to the program evaluators. इतने फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज हैं कि प्रोग्राम को सस्टेन कर सकें एक्सपेंसिव डेवलपमेंट में, और एविडेंस है कंटिन्यू उनको मिलते रहेंगे फाइनेंशियल कमिटमेंट और उनका इंक्रीज होगा एंडोमेंट करना। नेक्स्ट इज द कंटिन्यूस क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट। इम्पोर्टिंग क्वालिटी इंजीनियरिंग एजुकेशन significant and long-term component of all activities carried on higher education institutions. Quality management system must be in place to assure the achievement. PLOs, planning, implementation, monitoring, improvement are the essential elements of any quality management, which provide quality assurance confidence to various stakeholders on the judgment demonstrator outcomes. Quality management system covers the entire spectrum of higher education institution activities related to infrastructure, finances, management, human resource, academic, and all aspects of student campus transformation, admission से लेके graduation तक, interaction with them even after their. It means that this is just like an alumni explain input is expected to revolve around ensuring the attainment of objective outcomes of academic program. This purpose के लिए quality enhancement cell must be established, which should play a key role in streamlining and ensuring quality assurance through appropriate assessment and improvement mechanism leading to continuous quality improvement of academic attainment of CLO, and continuous improvement are assured only if sufficient closed-loop system is designed to involvement of quality. It just means a feedback system होगा जहाँ से आपको feedback आता रहेगा कितनी improvements है. Institutions should have well-defined processes for quality assessment and improvement. This criteria to these with the step taken for improvement of program quality and in particular steps taken in the light of observation of last accreditation, as stated in earlier section. The concept of accreditation during program is the demonstration of sequence to the laid-down criteria. Any weakness, non-performance observed during the last accreditation and evaluation period, उसको address करें आप अपनी quality की improvement में. Subsequent compliance support from the institution based on verify करके अपनी measures को भेजें. Prior to its submission to PEC, it is expected that quality enhancement cell should have already confirmed the veracity of action taken for the continuous quality improvement. In addition to providing details of its continuous quality improvement processes, information reports that demonstrate continuous quality improvement boarding and next to accreditation criteria described in manual. In this manual, particular program should provide following documents. SCR hosts surveys of feedback from stakeholders. Corrective action report showing a process for improving the quality of a program with some anomalies are observed and executing different elements. Report of implementation can based on observation of last accreditation. देखिए आपकी SCR की रिपोर्ट और सर्वे का फीडबैक जो है आपको stakeholders. Corrective action reports showing a process of for improving quality of program and some anomalies are observed in different elements. आपने कोर्स को किस तरह से फॉलो किया प्रोग्राम पे करिकुलम में कोर्सेज का आपस में लाइन मेंटेन है क्योंकि हमारे पास एडवांस कोर्स नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आ रहा है उसका प्री रिक्विजिट पढ़ चुके हैं स्टूडेंट या नहीं. Report of implementation plan based on the observation of last accreditation visit और उसके लिए क्या दिखाया उसको कितना इम्प्रूव किया रेमेडियल एक्शन इन एविडेंस ऑफ प्रोग्राम एफर्ट्स टू एनहांस प्रोग्राम की कितनी एफर्ट है फैसिलिटी स्ट्रेंथ फैसिलिटीज को इनिशिएटिव्स सिर्फ लास्ट accreditation visit to assist in attainment of मतलब हर चीज है उसका टारगेट ये है कि आपके PLOs CLOs कितने अटेन. अच्छा, the last article for chapter number 3 is industrial and international. Main outcomes were winning education for to have a meaningful and impact society in which individuals practice their profession. Engineering education and research should become a catalyst in fast industry into an engine of economic growth. ये किस पे डिपेंड करते हैं इंडस्ट्री के लिए engineering graduate faculty member must provide must become a part of this value chain by proposing solutions to technical problems faced by industry and also by bringing innovation, automation, transformation of the world into a global village necessitates for the young and training to respond to not only the technical challenges of the local industry but also those which are being addressed over here, being addressed right away. Okay, this should be trained to take a global perspective by proposing the solution of technical problems and be conscious of sustainability and the impact of conserving solution environment and society. ये कैसे मिशन अचीव होगा? ओनली हायर एजुकेशन प्रमोट्स फैसिलिटेट करें इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेजेस को अपने स्टूडेंट्स और कम्युनिटी के साथ। हायर ये इसी तरह से हो सकता है इंडस्ट्री से लोग हैं आपको सेमिनार करना चाहिए और इस तरह से आपकी गाइडेंस होगा ट्रेनिंग और वर्कशॉप है। Higher education institutions need to have a policy that not only encourages such collaboration with national and international industry, academic research institutions, but also recognizes and provides incentive for faculty members who establish such nexuses and subsequently undertake collaborative funded industrial or research and development projects or revenue by providing consultancy or training services to the industry. Mobility of faculty members who industry may, especially during the semester and summer break, may to embed themselves as industrial manager requires to better understand the technical challenges ताकि वो उनके टेक्निकल चैलेंजेस को देखें और उसके मुताबिक वो अपने टीचिंग अपने स्किल्स को स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर ट्रांसफॉर्म करें। Research problem and or lead to real world problems to be solved by the student and their final project. अक्सर ऐसे होते हैं कि जो हमारे फंडेड प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं इंडस्ट्री के अंदर फाइनली प्रोजेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं करते हैं वो इंडस्ट्री के थ्रू फंडेड होता है, फुली फंडेड होता है। तो उसमें इंडस्ट्री के मेंबर्स हैं वो गाइड भी करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट इंडस्ट्री के ग्रेजुएट होते हैं। उनको सिर्फ आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी आपके प्रोग्राम की तरफ से स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए होते हैं जिनकी इतनी स्किल्स हो, इतना उनका नॉलेज हो कि वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकें। Such industry-related sponsor finally a project provide opportunity for the student to get exposed to various professional and quality standard being practice for a successful engineering career in the field. ये जो policy framework है will not only truly enhance industrial collaboration by establishing real industry academia links but would also enable higher education institutions to contribute to the GDP of the country, helping in it. इससे सिर्फ आपकी इंडस्ट्री की कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होगी बल्कि इसका इनेबल करेंगे कि आपका हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन है वो जीडीपी प्रोग्रेस जो है आपकी कंट्री की उसमें कितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ then in turn would help in achieving SDGs. Okay. Okay, so GDP gross domestic product आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है कितना डोमेस्टिकली यूजेबल है। SDGs सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट this is sustainable development goals. Faculty and student exchange program हो इंटरनेशनल और एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन का हो जो स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम होते हैं उससे बच्चे जो उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है उनके न्यू टीचिंग लर्निंग मेथोडोलॉजी and pedagogical skills will lead to undertaking a joint research and development project and MS and PhD thesis supervision. Establishing such collaboration with leading universities in the world. Yes, it happened first time I've seen it. Involvement of and feedback from industry and employees of the program is an essential part of the curriculum review process that you plan and then evaluate the attainment of program objectives. Thus, a focal mechanism of seeking guidance from industry and getting them involved in the program design. Evaluation through regular members of the industrial advisory board is a must. Moreover, the feedback of industry must be put in In particular, the program must demonstrate the following. So, what are the three main points? Formal mechanism is in place and also regularly practice active participation of industry, follow key program development में, VM में, updatation में, especially in areas experiencing rapid change and also for attainment and range of PEOs. Students को opportunities मिले तो acquire करें industrial experience, internship हो, design project, final year projects, like professional engineer working in industry that are fully funded mostly. प्रोग्राम इनकरेज करें फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को कि वो कोलैबोरेट करें इंडस्ट्री के साथ इंटरनेशनल एकेडमिक्स के साथ रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ ताकि जॉइंट रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट डिजाइन कंसल्टेंसी ट्रेनिंग सर्विसेज हो इंडस्ट्री की तरफ से पॉलिसीज हो ताकि वो फैसिलिटेट करें उसके फ्रूटफुल एफर्ट्स हों और वो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स की फ्रूटफुल एफर्ट पर रिवॉर्ड दें. सो दीज आर द मेन पॉइंट्स. दिस इज द समरी इनफैक्ट. एक तो इसमें ये पॉइंट है कि हमारे पास मैकेनिज्म हो और इसकी एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन हो और रेगुलर इसकी प्रैक्टिस हो प्रोग्राम के डेवलपमेंट में, रिव्यू में, अपडेट हो, पीईओज उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हो और पीईओज जो है वो रिवाइज हों, उनके मुताबिक अपडेट हों. जैसे अपडेट हो रहे हैं, जैसे चेंजेस आ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री के अकॉर्डिंगली आपने चीज़ों को मैनेज करके. दूसरा ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले ताकि वो इंडस्ट्री से इतना एक्सपीरियंस करें. इंटर्नशिप के थ्रू वो तो हमारा मस्ट है समर में 6 to 8 का. दूसरा उनके जो फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट है प्रोफेशनल इंजीनियर वहाँ के गाइड करें, वो आपको इस मामले में इन्वॉल्व करें. तो ये आपके सुपरवाइजर पे डिपेंड करते हैं किस तरह लिंकेजेस हैं. प्रोग्राम इनकरेज करें कम्युनिटी मेंबर को कोलैबोरेट करें इंडस्ट्री और दूसरे रेप्यूटेड इंटरनेशनल एकेडमिक्स और रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ ताकि रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट डिजाइन कंसल्टेंसी हो. तो ये फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को आपने इनकरेज करने के लिए कोलैबोरेट करें और ट्रेनिंग की सर्विसेज हो और वो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को इस मामले में रिकॉर्ड करें फुल एफर्ट करें. So this is the basic regarding the industrial